Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you guys looking for a summer go-to look that is easy, waterproof, just using a few products that you have in your collection, and that only takes 10 minutes or less? Well, in this video, I'm going to share my tips and tricks of how I created this look. As always, hydrate the lips. Second, you want to hydrate your skin after cleansing. This is a super lightweight moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid, and it also gives you a nice glow. You can also stimulate the blood in the skin on the face by doing little piano finger motions or light taps. It is very important to wear sunscreen, guys. Whether you're under the sun, outdoors, or even if it's overcast, there's still going to be some ray of lights that's going to be hitting your skin, so wearing sunscreen will help protect your skin. This also is a water-based type of moisturizing sunscreen, so it's not heavy or oily, and again, it gives you a nice glow. And never forget your neck. This is an optional step, eyelid primer. I choose to use this because my lids do, especially in the summer, tend to get oily, so this is going to help prevent any creasing, any shine throughout the day. I'm going to squeeze out whatever I can and lightly pat the product onto my eyelids. And whatever is remaining on my fingertips, I'm going to apply it right under my eyes. Eyebrows are a must for me, so what else can I say? Fill in your brows. It also frames your face. Using a brow powder is also optional. I feel like anytime I use a cream or a wet product, I'm going to use a powder to help set it so it doesn't slip and slide, again for longevity. In this case, I don't want my brows too dark, so I'm going to use the blonde powder and just kind of fill in any missing spots. Because I used a wax-based pencil, this is going to help secure my look. Like I mentioned, brows are a must. So I'm going to use a concealer to shape out my brows. This will be the only part of my face that I will be focusing the most time on. I promise I wasn't giving you guys the finger, I was just trying to pat out the remaining concealer. So I'm going to take my brush to blend it out and fill in that missing tail that I accidentally covered up. Taking a matte translucent powder, I'm going to set above and under my brows. Now let's get ready to curl my short lashes and apply mascara. I usually wait about a few minutes for the mascara that got onto my lids to dry, then I can take a Q-tip and it wipes off very easily. I know, another sunscreen, but check this out, it's clear! So I use this product for a few reasons. It's going to help with my pores and textures. You guys know I have a lot of pores and fine lines in the center of my face, but my forehead also has a lot of lines too. So I like to pat this on the forehead to give a smoother application. Of course, working extra around the nose and cheeks. Again, I do have a lot of pores in the center of the face that I hate, and I will pat the remaining product onto my chin. So I look at it this way, it's going to help with oil controlling, pores and textures, so basically it's a 2-in-1 product. Second most important product, concealer. As you can see, I have a lot of discoloration under my eyes. Typically, it can be bluish purple with some red. So using this color correcting concealer can help neutralize any discoloration. This is a cream product, so it can get a bit heavy. So after applying this on to my preference of coverage, I'm going to follow through with the same powder just to set and prevent any creasings. Another optional step, I'm going to take another mascara and I'm going to build my baby lashes. Speaking of baby, I'm going to move my little baby hairs and seeing what I'm working with on today's face. I'm actually going to be taking that same concealer and I'm going to spot treat where is needed. Which is basically the whole face. Lately, I haven't been using brushes, I've just been using my fingers as tools. As you can see, I'm using my ring finger, which has the least amount of pressure. So I'm just gently patting the product into the areas that needs attention. I have a lot of freckles, redness on the face. This is going to help neutralize it, but it's such a light feeling. It doesn't feel like a full coverage of foundation or makeup. It's super airy, and it does become more of a powdered finish. So I know this is going to be definitely a long wear. Each individual's preference of coverage is going to vary. I like it more on the medium side where I can still see my skin peeking through. So basically, I don't apply too much on the forehead because it doesn't really need much. It's more the center of the face that needs the most attention. Once again, we're going to take that powder to set everything into place. Now, I'm only dabbing my brush into the palette once, and I'm just lightly patting it into the areas that apply the concealer. Now we're going to bronze the face, again using that same technique, applying the brush into the powder once and just doing little patting motions, following my cheekbones to my temples and bringing it down to my jawbone. Then the remaining product right under the chin. I like to use the remaining product and just kind of apply it on as a blush for more of a summer bronze look. Ooh, so dusty. Let's try that again. It's time for a highlighter. So we're going to take my favorite Rodeo Drive highlighter, and I'm just again going to do little patting motions just at the highest points of my cheeks. Remaining product right under my brows, edges of the forehead, down the nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. Now that mascara is dried, I'm going to take my Q-tip and give it a final clean. This is also optional, but I like to open up my eyes, so I'm going to take this nude pencil and apply it to my lower waterline. And follow through with mascara. Then I'm going to take my favorite lip gloss. This is by NYX Tiramishu. Such a pretty color, nice and soft, and it smells good. So I washed my hair the night before. I just let it air dry with no products, and it created so much volume and texture, which I love. Just using my fingers to kind of brush it out, a little softer and natural look. My skin is definitely smooth. I tried flipping my hair the other side. Didn't work. So I said, let's just throw on a hat. So this is my easy go-to summer look that takes less than 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.